See, they're super easy and super cute to make. Hey guys, Royal Fox here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make refrigerator magnets. And not any type of refrigerator magnets, your custom own Perler refrigerator magnets. Yes, we got Pikachu over here. We got the sign for the Horde, you know, Locktar, Ogar, yes, you know what I mean. But yeah, so these are super easy to make and I'm going to be actually making this Pikachu today. So if you guys want to stay tuned, I'll show you guys how it's done. And of course, if you haven't done so, go ahead and hit subscribe so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Also, follow me on Twitch. I will be streaming Tuesdays and Thursdays Star Wars The Old Republic, so I'll go ahead and link that down below. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook where I do post all my stories and pictures and stuff that I do during the week. Well, let's go ahead and get started, right?
So for this project, you will need the following items: perler beads, perler pegboards, magnets with adhesive backs, wax paper, an iron, and a heavy book. If you're too young to go ahead and do this on your own, make sure you ask a parent to help you with the iron. You don't want to burn yourself by accident. Since I'm going to be making Pikachu, I'm going to collect the colors that I need for Pikachu. So first, you will need to collect all the colors you want for your project. You can find many perler patterns online. This one I found on Pinterest. So after you've collected all the colors for your pegboard, go ahead and put them together and be careful. When working on your projects, any sudden movements can send any perlers flying off your boards and it's kind of irritating, so just be careful. Can you see Pikachu starting to take form now? Pika! Keep in mind, when you're doing these kind of projects, especially with perlers, it could take a long time. So make sure you try to find a place that you can do this where you'll be in a comfy position, but also someplace you're not going to move your board too much. I actually spent about an hour doing just this Pikachu, so just keep in mind when you're doing it that it's going to take a lot longer than you expect. There are some tools you can use to make your process a little faster. I, however, don't have any of those tools and just use my hands, so that's why it might have taken me a little bit longer. After you're done with your design, you're ready for the next step. It's time to iron your perlers. So what you're going to want to do is get a piece of wax paper, make sure there's no wrinkles, the new piece of paper, so that way there won't be any wrinkles in your perlers once it's done. The one that I used in this video was an older piece of wax paper I had put away because I couldn't find the wax paper I had just purchased. Yeah, I know, got messy. Once you have your piece of wax paper, you're going to want to get your iron and put it on the highest setting. If you're younger, have your parent help you and iron the pattern. You don't want to get burnt while doing it. Iron in a circle until you see the plastic stick to the paper. When it's done, let it sit until the wax paper starts to come off of the perler design. Once it is cold, you can go ahead and flip over your design and you're going to want to do the same thing. Place your wax paper on top, iron it, and then let it sit until it cools off. Once the perler looks exactly how you like it, go ahead and get your large book and let it sit on top of it for about a minute or two. This will help it from curling so that way it doesn't have a small little curl to it. Once done, you're going to want to get your magnets and take off the adhesives. Choose which side of the perler you like best. Sometimes one side might be a little bit prettier than the other. Choose where you want to put the magnets and how many you're going to want on there. Once you put your magnets on, make sure you press them hard enough so that they won't come off. And ta-da! You got your magnets. I myself like to make a lot of magnets that are game-based, just because I'm a large gamer.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys liked enjoying watching videos on how I make my little magnets for my house. If you guys haven't done so, go ahead and hit subscribe so anytime I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Follow me on Twitch. I'll be streaming Tuesdays and Thursdays Star Wars The Old Republic. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook where I post pictures and anything that I do during the week. Hope to see you guys soon. Stay tuned for my next video. Remember, stay classy, stay foxy. Love you. Bye!